What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be reviewing a really strange item for you guys. This is the Antisocial Social Club rice cooker right here. And so this item actually came out in the first week of July, and it just came today. And today is August 7th or something. It took a month to get here. And I paid around like $220. Honestly, it's probably like a waste of money. Wasted 220 bucks for this, but we're gonna review it and let's see what this item's all about. Firstly, onto the box. It literally came like this. The rice cooker box. And look, the UPS label is like right here too. FedEx label, I mean. This is ridiculous. Single box rice cooker. The box is already all messed up. They literally just put their tape on it, put the label on it, and shipped it out like that. Crazy, ridiculous. And you waited a month for this. Single box, but luckily the rice cooker did not come damaged. So we're gonna be going over the rice cooker for you guys. Yeah. So the rice cooker, the instruction manual. I think it's too important here. I think important for this. It comes wrapped in this paper. No branding on it at all besides like warning labels. Really generic wrapping paper to protect the rice cooker. And now onto the main item. The thing about this item is just that it's a regular rice cooker from the Cuckoo brand. Nothing too specific that is like special about it. The only difference about this one is the Antisocial Social Club branding on here. Let's try to get a zoom in to see the detail of this. So I don't think it's actually printed on. It's like, I don't know, it's like stuck in there. In pink, Antisocial Social Club. It's actually, if you feel it, it's actually rised up a little bit. And that's it for the front branding. And in the back, I'd rather stay home. Same type of branding back here as well. Not printed on, but it's like risen up. I don't explain it, but if you guys looking closer, you could probably see like how the quality is of the lettering. It's all white on this side and the other side right here. The bottom with the electric cord, button or something. Yeah, for the rice. Let me open this up for you guys. Comes with a rice scooper, no branding on it. Lame. And a rice cup thingy, no branding on this at all. I lift this up for the rice. And it has like a paper on it and the bottom layer right here. Yeah, I don't think this thing's worth it at all actually, shit. And put everything back. But you know, we're Asian, so we have to buy this rice cooker. It was the first item to sell out online, which is really interesting to me. Everything else sat for like a couple more minutes. I know like some of their smaller accessories sat for a little bit longer, but this rice cooker was the first one to sell out when it dropped online, and I just guess it's really limited, but at the same time it's like, it's just 8 letters printed on, and that makes this thing like $220. Actually, it was like $188, but with shipping and tax, shipping was like 20 bucks, tax is like 20 bucks as well, so around $220. But yeah, and the fact that they single boxed everything just made it like sad. Like if they left it outside, and they could easily get jacked. You know, it's like free money to like someone that's walking by, they just jack their package. But you know, we're Asian, we had to cut this rice cooker, review it for you guys. I think we're the first one to review it on YouTube right now, so give us some thumbs up, some likes, comment, and subscribe to check out more. We're probably not going to be doing any of this Antisocial Social Club stuff, but we're going to be doing more like hype sneakers, Supreme, Palace coming up this week as well. So be on the lookout for that. I'm going to be doing like a pretty big haul at Palace and going to be reviewing all the items for you guys as well. Peace out, Asians. It's time to cook and eat.